Welcome to Tricky Apps. Coding and decoding. Now I am going to explain key points and examples from the chapter Coding Decoding. There is a chance to get at least one question from this chapter in all competitive exams. Now let us see the key points. First one, positional values of letters in English alphabets. Second one, vowels and consonants. Third one, opposite letters. Positional values of letters in English alphabets. Here, the numbering starts from left end and it is called forward numbering. So, positional value of A is 1, B is 2, C is 3, D is 4, E is 5 and so on, up to Z is 26. To solve the problems on it, we have to remember these positional values of alphabets. If the numbering starts from the right end, it is known as backward numbering. Here, positional value of A is 26, B is 25, C is 24, D is 23 and so on, up to Z is 1. To solve the problems on it, we have to remember these positional values of alphabets. Vowels and consonants. Here, A, E, I, O and U are called vowels. The alphabets other than vowels are called as consonants. Example, B, C, D, F, G and so on. Opposite letters. Opposite letters are a pair of the first letter and the last letter, second letter and the second letter from the last, the third letter and the third letter from the last. The trick to remember the opposite letters of English alphabets is A and Z, A to Z or AZA. B and Y, which is by. C and X, that is CT scan, that is X-ray. D and W, due. E is opposite of V, so evening. F is opposite of U, so first U. G is opposite of T, that is GT road. H is opposite of S, that is high school. I is opposite of R, that is Indian Railway. J is opposite of Q, is Jack Queen. K is opposite of P, so the trick to remember is Kelvin Peterson. L is opposite of O, that is the trick is light on. M is opposite of N, the trick is man. Now, let us see the types of coding decoding. Type 1. Letter coding. In this type of coding, we deal with questions in which the letters of a word are replaced by certain other letters according to a specific pattern to form a code. You have to detect the coding pattern and answer the question that are asked based on coding pattern. Let us see an example. If goodness is coded as HNPCODTR, then how greatness can be written in that code? Let us see the solution. From the observation pattern, we can say that the letters of the word goodness are moved one step forward and one step backward alternatively to obtain the letters of the code HNPCODTR. So, let us apply the similar pattern to the word greatness. We know the values of G as 7, R is 18, E is 5, A is 1, T is 20, N is 14, E is 5 and S is 19. Hence, adding 1 to G's value, we get 8, that is H. Subtracting 1 from R's value, we get 17, that is Q. Adding 1 to E's value, we get 6, that is F. Subtracting 1 from A's value, we get Z. Adding 1 to T's value, we get 21, that is U. Subtracting 1 from N's value, we get 13, that is M. Adding 1 to E's value, we get 6, that is F. Subtracting 1 from S value, we get 18, that is R. Adding 1 to S value, we get 20, that is T. Hence, greatness can be written as HQFZUMFRT. Let us see another example. If in a certain code, intelligence is written as ETNIGILLECNE, then how can the word mathematical be written in the same code? Let us see the solution. Here, by observing the word intelligence, we find the pattern that these letters are divided into 3 parts. It is coded as ETNIGILLECNE. Here, 4 and 4 breakage will work on this question. Here, first letter is relating to fourth position, second letter is relating to third position, third letter is relating to second position, fourth letter is relating to first position. In second part, fifth letter is relating to 8th position, sixth letter is relating to 7th position, seventh letter is relating to 6th position, eighth letter is relating to 5th position. And in third part, ninth letter is relating to 12th position, 10th letter is relating to 11th position, 11th letter is relating to 10th position, and 12th letter is relating to 9th position. So, for mathematical, the code will be HTAM TAME LACI. As mathematical is divided into 3 parts similar to intelligence, so first letter M is relating to fourth position, second letter A is relating to third position, third letter T is relating to second position, and fourth letter H is relating to first position. In second part, fifth letter E is relating to 8th position, sixth letter M is relating to 7th position, seventh letter A is relating to 6th position, eighth letter T is relating to 5th position. And in third part, ninth letter I is relating to 12th position, 10th letter C is relating to 11th position, 11th letter A is relating to 10th position, and 12th letter L is relating to 9th position. So here, the word mathematical can be written as HTAM TAME LACI. Let us see another example. In a certain code language, over is written as EVRO. How will disk be written in the same code? Let us see the solution. Here, by observing this word, we will find the pattern as first letter O is relating to fourth position, second letter V is relating to second position, third letter E is relating to first position, and fourth letter R is relating to third position. So for disk also, let us apply the same pattern. So first letter D will be related to fourth position, second letter will be related to second position, third letter to first position, and fourth letter to third position. So here, the word disk can be written as SIKD. Thanks for watching. For full videos, download our app from the Play Store.